Good morning, friends. It is Saturday morning. It's 11 o'clock, so it's still morning technically. I mobile ordered lunch for us, so I am walking to the dining hall area to go pick that up. And then I think we're gonna go to the pool. We were talking about buying tickets and going to the water park, but I don't know. Haven't decided officially what we're doing, but that's what we were talking about doing. So we'll see what we actually end up doing. But it's already very warm out here. It's what I get for having a June birthday. I have no other excuses, you know? But I will show you our food in a little bit. All right, I made it back with our food. We both got the cheeseburger, the adult cheeseburger with fries, and then I got the cookie dough. I'm pretty sure the edible cookie dough is only available at the All-Star resorts. I could be wrong, but I'm pretty positive. And then I got the lemon blueberry cheesecake. So they look delicious.
Are you allowed to show me on camera?
Yeah, I can. And I got a strawberry banana body armor. Colton got a Coke Zero, but he's also drinking his Monster that we bought last night. How's your fries and burger so far?
I always like their fries.
They're pretty tasty.
I always like crunchy, but also soft.
They're good. They're kind of like McDonald's fries a little bit. No?
Maybe like the same look. I mean, the look at them, they look the same.
Maybe Sonic fries.
Sonic fries.
There we go. We're good. So we're gonna eat our little lunchies here. And then I think we are going to go to the water park. Okay. Colton's gonna try the desserts first.
I'm gonna try this one. Try some cookie dough. Dude. So difficult.
I should have gotten a spoon.
I like the flavor.
It's good?
You expect cookie dough to be like really sweet. It's not sweet.
Really? Okay.
Or it's just me waking up in the morning. I don't know.
I'm excited to try it. Let's see. I'm designating that fork for that. Don't mix flavors here. I'm gonna take this out of. All right. Here's my little bite. That's good. It isn't sweet like at all. I like that.
Pretty solid.
It's pretty good. I recommend this if you're here. I probably wouldn't go out of my way to get it.
60 out of 30, 10. I recommend.
60 out of 30, 10. Probably wouldn't go out of my way to get this because there's definitely more unique treats out there. But it was pretty good if you're here. Okay, I'm gonna try the cheesecake now. It's a lemon blueberry cheesecake. I really should have gotten spoons and not forks. I'm gonna get one that's got a blueberry on it. There's my bite. Let me take another bite. That is so good. That is so good.
Oh, the second one's better?
Yeah, you have to try it. I know you didn't want to try it, but you have to try it. It's so good. You don't like it?
Get out of here.
You don't like it.
I don't think I like tart stuff anymore.
It's lemon. Oh, it's so good. I think it's delicious. I love cheesecake, and it's delicious. Oh, whatever. So our outfits. Going to the water park. I'm excited. We decided to go, so we're going.
Yeah, we're going. We're going.
We're going. Look at this. Oh my goodness. I love it. Oh no, there was an accident. How sad. I hope he's okay. I love this. This is so fun.
It's large.
I told you. Are you excited?
Yeah. Ready to feel something. Because my car, I got used to my car's speed, so we need to go fast.
Let's
We need to
see.
go real fast.
What was your
I whooped your booty.
You did.
Bad.
Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Because you were the one that didn't want to come to a water
I
park.
already knew that you were gonna say that. How did I know?
Because
It's not the greatest. Well, okay. Pan out there. Show them how busy it is. That's why I don't like coming to water parks.
it is very busy.
It's just
but
always. It takes forever. You're getting burnt standing in line.
the line was not that bad though. We're up pretty high.
I don't think.
Are you gonna beat me again?
Can't really tell. We're in our own individual tubes on this one.
Yeah, but whoever makes it to the bottom first.
I'll probably win. I told you, a little bit heavier, you win as well.
Okay, what's your review of what's been so far our water park adventure?
We went down snow racers and the toboggan. Pretty solid. Pretty solid.
The toboggan one? Was that the first one or the snow racers was the second one?
Toboggan's first.
Okay, snow racers, so fun.
Yeah, the last one we kind of checked in on.
It was scary.
It's fast.
You went up it's like an actual tube slide, so you go up on the sides. I was not expecting that. It was fun, but it was kind of scary.
I get that sunscreen.
He beat me on both rides though, so.
Young professional over here.
Yeah,
I guess not young, middle-aged professional at this point.
Oh,
but
good lord. I think we're gonna go find the lazy river and hop in.
yeah.
Yeah. Floating down the lazy river.
Oh yeah.
You look so relaxed. We're connected now. Oh, I gotta hold on so we don't get departed. This thing's pretty fast. Ah! I'm going on the waterfall! Oh no. I know you can't really see me, but I'm drenched. This cave's pretty cool. This is a truck. This is the worst filming I've ever done, I promise. Oh my goodness, it splits. Oh no. How's the lazy river?
It's good.
We floated
I
for
cannot
like,
figure out which one I'm gonna go. Went through it twice.
yeah, we floated for like 40 minutes.
Yeah, stay there.
It was a good time.
It was good.
Now we're going on Teamboat Springs.
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
I'm excited.
Let's go.
Oh my goodness. The water is very cold. Oh man. Oh. Oh man, I like this.
It's pretty chill. It's pretty chill, but it has like a little bit of speed. Pretty chill.
We're going down. There's 2 drops. Oh, now it goes. Oh man. Now it goes into a little like lazy river thing. Oh man. I like that. That was fun. That was very fun. Now we just float along.
It's crazy how they do that.
I know. They passed us. That's fun. Oh man. I like it. I like it. Alright, we just got some drinks. I got a strawberry daiquiri. And if you know me, I don't ever drink. But this is actually really good. And I can't taste the alcohol in it. What did you get?
Something blossom mojito. Something like that. Forgot the first part of it. It smells great. Tastes pretty good. It's a little sweeter. But I like mojitos though, so it's refreshing out here. A little bit of cloud cover here. Chilling.
A little bit.
Well, we've been here for
Few hours.
three hours or so.
Yeah.
Chilling. Probably poke around for a little bit longer and then probably head back.
Yep.
We have dinner reservations later. But yeah.
Yep. Sounds good. We're leaving, but they have a little goofy meet and greet out here. Right as you're exiting the park. Or entering, I guess, depending on what you're doing. Alright, how was your first park?
It's the first time we've ever went to a water park together.
Yeah, water park experience. I don't know if I've ever been to a water park. If I have, I don't remember it. So there's that.
It's fun. It's good.
I had a lot of fun.
Why is there always a bus? Always a bus.
I don't know. Let me put you on the tripod. Hold on.
Okay. That was fun. It was good.
I had a lot of fun.
A lot of stuff to do. And like, even though it was like super busy,
The wait times were really short for being really busy.
it didn't feel crazy.
No.
Just keeps on readjusting the camera even though
I
we're
do.
only going to talk for like 20 more seconds.
I know. But it was a lot of fun. We didn't eat any of the food, but we had a drink.
I mean, I think everyone else could agree that when it's hot, I don't get hungry when it's hot.
Yeah.
I know a lot of people that way. It's like, it's too heavy.
What was your favorite part of today?
I've only been to Lazy River one other time, so that's pretty cool.
What was your favorite?
It's pretty chill, pretty fun. The water rides are pretty sick. We'll agree. I think it's the first time I've ever gone on like actual water rides.
Yeah.
So that's outside of like
It's
your
not
local
just like
pools and stuff.
It's not just like a water slide, like a normal water slide.
Yeah. I think it would have been cool to do the big plunge one, but I'm not a big guy with waiting in
I'm
lines.
scared.
It's like an hour wait. I'm not.
Yeah. So you're saying
we ain't doing that.
You're saying your favorite thing today was the lazy river?
I think so.
Okay, so just to say something different from you, I'm gonna say, I think it's like called like snow plunge or something like that. The second one that we rode, that was in like a tube and you were on the little sled thing.
Snow something.
Yeah, that was fun. But we're gonna go back to the resort now.
We've definitely said it somewhere in this video.
We're gonna go back to the resort now and take showers, get cleaned up because we have.
No, we're going Typhoon Lagoon now. Imagine.
We could. But we have dining reservations at Steakhouse 71. So very excited because we've never been there either.
Yeah.
We are going to birthday dinner. This is my outfit. Oh, you got the fanny pack on. Little belt bag situation. Looks good too.
You like it?
Yeah. Are you excited for Steakhouse 71?
Never looked up anything about it, so don't know.
Are you ready for steak?
Yeah, I'm ready for steak.
Okay. Okay.
There's some on their side.
We are at Steakhouse 71, ready for dinner.
Let's keep it in the middle. Keep it separated. That's your side right there. Divider.
Okay. You look so handsome. These are so cool. I didn't see these when we walked in. These are awesome.
Hello. It's the next morning. It's next morning here.
We came back to the room after our hour-long trip back to the hotel or to the resort.
Yeah, we got on the buses. Took it to Disney Springs. Disney Springs back here. It took exactly an hour and like 1 minute. So, and we're going from the Contemporary to Disney Springs.
Yeah. But we wanted to share our thoughts about Steakhouse 71 before we end the vlog and start today's vlog. So what did you think?
Let's start off with just the atmosphere. Pretty decent. It felt upper class.
Yeah. It didn't feel like a Disney restaurant at all.
No. Appetizer. I like my iceberg salad. That was super good. It's blue cheese. Tasted really great.
I told him, I was like, I'm not gonna like that because I don't like blue cheese. To be honest though, I don't know if I ever had blue cheese, just like the assumption that I wouldn't like it. But I took a bite to say that I tried it, and it was actually really good.
It was good. Then she got some rolls.
The sea salt brioche rolls, I think is what they were called. But I wouldn't order them again. They were not worth. There's 2 of them. They're $12. So they were $6 a piece.
Yeah.
Not worth. If they had been like free and like given to us with the meal,
Yeah.
then I would have been like, okay, these are decent, but they were not good enough to be worth $12.
Yeah, most of the time when you go to like Steakhouse, rolls are free. So having the idea that rolls should be kind of free, and then they're $6 a roll, it's like they're not revolutionary. They weren't great. They're good.
I also kept going back to the fact that we normally go to the Boathouse for special dinners, and those rolls are free and they're really good.
But a price comparison between the Boathouse and Steakhouse 71, it's about a 66% difference. One you're spending $300, the other one spending $100. I definitely
spending $300 with what we order. Let's preference that because you can do the Boathouse way cheaper.
Yeah, but you're.
But we always get a steak.
Yeah.
Each of us get a steak, a lobster. Sometimes we get an appetizer. We add on extra sides.
Yeah.
Sometimes special drinks. So
yeah, but considering we both got an appetizer yesterday
true.
and got the sauce filet.
We normally don't ever like get separate appetizers. We usually share.
Yeah. So, bang for buck, pretty solid. Definitely won't complain about that.
For entrees, I got a steak and I got mashed potatoes.
I got a steak with mac and cheese.
And then we got the sauce flight to share.
Mm.
The steak, delicious. Very tender.
Yeah.
Super good. It was cooked perfectly. His mac and cheese.
It was good.
It was good.
Had like the little crumbly bits on top, everything, so it was good.
My mashed potatoes. Biggest letdown of my entire trip. And I spent an entire day being sick. I would prefer to go to the quick service and get mashed potatoes because they're a billion times better. I am 99.9% sure that those mashed potatoes were instant potatoes because they tasted exactly like instant potatoes.
Yeah.
And it was a very large disappointment for me because I love mashed potatoes.
I can't remember all the names of sauce flights to kind of wrap it up here.
I took a picture of it, so I'll insert that photo.
Boom. Super good. I think my favorite was the red wine. Never tried that with a steak. Because their steak was like perfectly cooked with the perfect seasoning. This wine kind of just heightened it a little bit more.
There was the red wine, the horseradish, the salsa verde, something else, and then the steakhouse sauce.
Yeah.
Or like, the Béarnaise sauce.
Yeah.
That's what it was. So then we got chocolate cake, and I wouldn't order that again either.
Chocolate cake was good. It was good.
I am not the biggest chocolate cake fan.
I don't know if it's our server.
Oh, our server wasn't great either.
Waitress.
Yeah. That was also a disappointment.
You know, things just like don't like line up. Like you just feel like there's like something weird. That's what it felt like. I was like, man, I don't know. Just didn't feel. Maybe she having a bad day. I don't know what it was.
I don't know. But she wasn't very good. We waited
It was like 10 to 12 minutes.
before she even came to the table.
And if I'm at a restaurant, this might sound like snobby or anything, but if I don't get help within 6 minutes, we typically just get up and leave. And that's like bringing over water, like literally just sitting there. I have like a rule, because then it's just, I can't get this idea out of my head that's just like bad service.
Yeah.
So, I'm not gonna waste my time sitting. But we were there for like 12 minutes before we actually got our orders taken. Yeah.
She's kind of dry.
Yeah, that's what it was. She was just a little too dry for Disney.
We were
Steakhouse.
watching the other servers, and they seemed like smiley and like happy to be there, and
Yeah.
she just didn't have that vibe. So. But that was our feelings on Steakhouse 71.
It was good though. I mean, $100 wasn't.
We didn't say the price. We only, with our annual pass discount, before tipping, it was $111. So that's not that bad for a steakhouse.
No.
At Disney.
With 2 appetizers, sauce flight,
The dessert.
actual drinks too.
So pretty good.
Yep.
But that's gonna be it for this vlog. So we can start today's vlog.
Yep.
If you like this video, please like and subscribe for more content like this. And we'll see you in the next one.
Thank you.
Bye.